Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, it's time for Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph 林。刚认识一个人都会要说你叫什么名字或者你贵姓，对不对？ Here's the thing, in the Chinese culture, when you come across a stranger, usually you would ask, what is your last name, not what is your first name. 在西洋文化我们比较不会说what is your last name, sir? 这样很奇怪，这样好像要质问他什么事情，你知道吗？但是呢，在这个我们的文化里面，就是你贵姓是比较通俗的方式去问一个人的名字。When you ask someone's name, you say, "What is your last name?" 请问贵姓？
呛mun松香。
All right, that means last name. 呛mun松香 What is your last name? Now, to be even more polite, when you come across a lady, 看到一个女生就会问说，小姐你贵姓 ？Right? Ma'am, what is your last name?
小姐。松香，
秀记
就小姐了。
小姐对，
秀
记，松香。
那先生呢？我们就说先生，你贵姓？
是先生。If it's a Mr. a guy, you would say 先生你贵姓？
先生，松香。
先生，松香。Again, 松香 is what is your last name? 秀记 is ma'am or miss, and 先生 is sir or Mr. All right. Now. 回答啦，对不对？我姓林，
矮香林，
矮香林 ，OK， 所以矮香 whatever your last name is，OK， 如果是布朗，那就是矮香布朗。
乜嘅布朗啊？布朗係乜嘅？
外國人啊 ，Brown 啊 ，Mr. Brown 啊，
矮香布朗。
係啊，我們有外國人在聽啊，搞不好他布朗啊，對不對 ？OK， 所以矮香布朗。那你呢？是？
那我是矮香旁。
矮香旁，
那我的海陆腔矮香胖，
矮香胖洗得胖胖的那样子，
那你就可以讲说矮香林。
哇，你的名字好香又好胖哦，是怎么样？
没有，我是说我姓彭啊。
你姓彭 ，OK。
矮香胖
That's right. Alice is answering. My last name is Pang in Hakka. All right. So let's review these terms. All right. 请问贵姓？
呛mun松香，
呛mun松香 That's what is your last name. 小姐你贵姓 Miss, what is your name? Last name?
秀记松香，
秀记松香 And Mr, what is your last name?
先生松香，
先生松香 And finally, 我姓布朗矮香布朗
矮香旁
矮香林啦There you go. That's today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只識張來了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.